What's up guys, it's Josh. I'm proud to introduce my brand new 2018 Toyota Tundra Platinum. I put the TRD suspension on it, which is the Bilstein suspension. It raises it about 2.5 inches. I kept the rake because I like that sleek look, and I put some killer XD wheels on it. I'll put all of the links in the description so you can see what I've done. I wanted to introduce this to you because I'm looking to do some upgrades, and I want you guys to come along on that ride with me as you see what I've done to this vehicle. If you like what you see today, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that notification bell, and let's take a look. Let's see what's going on here. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like what you saw today, hit the subscribe button and hit that notification bell. I'm really trying to get to 1,000 followers so that YouTube will actually start paying me again for doing these videos. It's a lot of hard work, and it takes a lot of time and effort to do the work, to record the work, to edit the work, and then to upload the work. So I want to start getting paid again. If you don't mind, hit subscribe. Let's get past 1,000, and that way I can get a few bucks every month from YouTube. Thanks, guys.